this is Felix once again, and welcome back to Make It Easy. For today's video, I'm going to show you on how to hide rows and columns in Google Sheets. So I have some data in here, and imagine that I wanted to hide the inventory sales columns on this sheet. I can just click the drop down menu of the column and then select hide columns. And that's it. Now you see an icon over where the hidden column normally would be. Just click on this and then you bring the column back. To hide a row, just highlight the entire row and then right click and select hide row. And an icon will appear again where the hidden row is located, which you can click on to restore. So what if you want to hide multiple columns or rows at once? So just highlight the range of column you want it to be hidden. Right click anywhere on the highlighted range and select to hide the columns chosen. And again, an icon appears that allows you to unhide the columns if you wanted to view it again at any time. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below in the comment section. I hope you found this video useful. Please like, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button for more videos.